understand. Write down let this equals to what can be written? A by x minus 2, right? By
Sir, your
x minus 1.
screen is sometimes
Then
like
Yes, sir. Your skin is getting completely frozen, sir.
sorry,
Sir, your screen
not
is
looking
getting.
good.
Yes, sir. I mean, it keeps freezing.
Okay, just wait.
So it's okay now.
Hmm. Just wait. Okay. Now c by x minus 1 whole square. Have got it?
Yes, sir.
Multiplying both sides of 1. Okay, of 1 by we are going to multiply it by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 we get. Please try to understand. What will we get? Can you tell me? We'll get here only x, right? X is equal to, then let me know. A into what? X minus 1 whole square, right?
Yes, sir. X minus 2 kg.
Then
So
b
x
into,
minus b into x minus 1, x minus 2.
very good, x minus 1, x minus 2.
C into x minus 2.
So you can do, but you didn't practice that one. X minus 2. This is 2. And it is true for all x belongs to R. Now what should we do? Putting you see, we are getting the value here x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. Putting x equals to 1 in 2. So x equals to 1 means what? We are getting 1. Why? Because here you see x minus 1, you have to let x minus 1 equals to 0, so x equals to 1. X minus 2 equals to 0, so x equals to 2. Another thing, you will see what the values should be put here to get this part 0. If I put x equals to 1, then this part will be 0. Okay, in this way. So x equals to 1. X equals to 1 means this is 0. X equals to 1, that means it is 0. X equals to 1, that means we are getting here it is 1. You see here it is 1. 1 is equal to 0 plus 0. Here we are getting c into 1 minus 2. Right? From here, we can write that 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1, that is minus c. Right?
Yes, sir.
That means we can write here c equals to minus 1. So we have got the value of c as by minus 1. Very easily we have got it, right? Now, what the values of x can be put else? Let me know. Putting x equals to 2 into. Now can you tell me x equals to 2? That means it is here x equals to 2. This is 2. Here we can get a 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 whole square. If we put x equals to 2, this is 0. X equals to 2, this is 0. So we are getting here 2 is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 square equals to 1. A. Okay. Therefore, A equals to 2. Can you get it? Now, we have got the values of A and C, but we have not got any value of B. For getting B, we don't have any other option. So what will you do? You have to then think always that you have to expand. This equation 2 is to be expanded now. You write down from 2 we get. You write down from 2 we get. Write down from 2. From 2 we get from 2 x is equal to, can you please let me know, a x square minus 2x plus 1, right? Here plus b x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Here c x minus 2. Okay. What I told you then?
Sir, prolongation 2.
By equating. Can you remember the word? By
Equating.
Write down by equating the coefficient of x square. Now you see there is no x square in the left hand side. Is there any x square in the left hand
No,
side?
sir. Only x.
But we have, you know how we have? We have 0 into x square. In the left hand side, we have 0 into x square. So the coefficient of x square in the left hand side is equal to 0. So we can write here 0 is equal to, here coefficient of x square equals to what? A.
Yes, sir.
Here the coefficient of x square equals to what? B. So we are getting 0 equals to a plus b. Now what is the value of a we have got as far?
2,
a
sir.
equals to what? 2. A equals to 2. So we can write 0 equals to 2 plus b. From here we get b equals to minus 2. So you see we have got all the values of a, b and c. Now can you put, after that you have to write putting the values of a, b, c in 1 we get. Write down putting the values of a, b and c in 1 we get. What is the value of a? Can you remember please? What was the value of a? The value of a was 2. So here it will be what? Here it will be 2. And value of C was minus 1, right? Value of C was minus 1. And value of B is minus 2.
Sure.
Now you can do one thing here. We can write 2 by x minus 2 minus 2 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Thus the given rational fraction has been expressed as the sum of the partial fraction. That day I wrote it 2 or 3 times. So write down, thus the given rational fraction, thus the given rational fraction has been expressed as the sum of partial fractions. And we are done here. I am going to another important math that will be given in your examination. I think you have copied it, right?
Almost, sir. Has been expressed as the yes, sir. Done.
Now we'll do another math. You see, activity 4. Okay. Let x square by x minus 1 whole cube into x minus 2. Who can tell me? A by x minus 2. Okay. Then b by x minus 1. Then let me know. By x minus 1 whole square. Then d by x minus 1 whole cube. This is 1. You please try to understand. Here degree 3, here degree 1. Total 4 powers. Here power 3, here power 1. So degree is 4, right? Is it? Have got it?
Yes, sir.
Here power 3, here power 1. So our degree is 4 in the denominator. So I have to let 4 unknowns. 1, 2, 3, 4. As by A, B, C, and D. We have taken 4 unknowns. Please try to understand this math is the important math, most important math. So what will you do then? Write down similarly multiplying the both sides of 1 by x minus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 we get. If we go for multiplying both sides of 1, then what we will get? Let me know. It is what? X square, right? X square is equal to what? A, then x minus 1 whole cube, A, x minus 1 whole cube, B, x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2, then C, x minus 1 into x minus 2, and D, only x minus 2. Please let me know if you have failed to understand. I'll be highly pleased if you talk to me.
Yes, sir.
All of you are required to talk to me. Have you got this multiplication or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's clear for me.
Clear? Okay, now what is to be written? Can you please let me know? Putting, we are getting two values, x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. So putting x equals to 1 in 2, what will be there? X equals to 1 in 2. Then we will get x equals to 1. That means x equals to 1 means it is 1 square. 1 square means 1. X equals to 1. This is 0 as x equals to 1. This is 0, x equals to 1. This is 0, x equals to 1. But this part is not 0. So we can write here d into 1 minus 2. Implies that 1 is equal to 1 is equal to d, here it is minus 1, that is minus d. Okay, that means we are getting here the value of d as by minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes,
Then
sir.
we can write down putting, can you tell me please what the value is to be taken here? X equals to 2 into. Now put x equals to 2 into. Then we'll get here 2a square. 2a square means what? 4 is equal to x equals to 2. X equals to 2, that means here we can put a 2 minus 1 whole cube. Please see, x equals to 2, 2 minus 1 whole cube. Here x equals to 2, 0. Here x equals to 2, 0. Here x equals to 2, 0. I am not going to take the values of BCD because they will be 0. Those parts will be 0. So we are left here for a into 2 minus 1 whole cube. It means what? 4 is equal to 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 1 whole cube equals to 1. So a into 1, that is a. That is a equals to 4, right? Is it okay to all? Now, we don't have any other values, but what will we do? We don't have any other value, then what is to be done here? Write down from 2, after that, from 2, we get. From 2, we get. Okay, you see, it is x square. Okay, very good. It is x square. It is a. Can you please let me know what will be there? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. Will it be? Then it is what? B x square minus 2x plus 1 into x minus 2. Then it is C. If you multiply, we will get x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. And here d into x minus 2. But we are not done yet because we have to multiply this part, or we get, I have just multiplied, nothing else I have done here. Here we get x square is equal to a x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. Here it is b, multiply it, x cube minus 2x square, then x cube minus 2x square minus 2x square minus plus 4x, then plus x minus 2. Is it? Yes, it is. Then we are getting here c into x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Then we are getting here d plus d into x minus 2. Okay. I am going to write down here that what the values we have got: a equals to 4 and d equals to minus 1. We have got a equals to 4 and d equals to minus 1. We have got these two values, right? I have written there.
So last
Now you-
step to erase करना है, last step.
Okay, that I know. Now write down equating at first we have to take the highest power. Here highest power is 3. So equating the coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube. You please try to understand. Coefficient of x cube. Here there is no x cube. That means its coefficient is 0. As there is no x cube in the left hand side, so its coefficient is 0. Here coefficient of x cube is a. Here coefficient of x cube is here x cube, here x cube. Coefficient of x cube is b. You see, we don't have any other x cube. We have only 2 x cubes in the right hand side. Here the coefficient of x cube is a. Here the coefficient of x cube is b. It implies that 0 equals to, what is the value of a? Value of a is as by 4. So we are getting 4 plus b. That means b equals to minus 4. What comes next after x cube? What comes next?
X squared.
Yes, you're right. So write down equating the coefficient of x square. Equating the coefficient of x square. What will we get? Can you please let me know? X square, here it is what? 1. X square coefficient 1. Can you please tell me here the coefficient of x square equals to what? Minus 3. Is it minus 3? Can you please let me know here the coefficient of x square equals to what? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4.
Minus 2.
Minus 4. Minus 4b. How many x square? Minus 4x square. So minus 4x square means what? Minus 4b. Here the coefficient of x square is what? C. Now you try to put the values of ABC. That means we are getting here implies that 1 is equal to, what is the value of A? Value of A is 4. The minus 3 into 4, value of A is 4. Minus 3 into 4, that is what? Minus 12. Okay. What is the value of B? B is minus 4. minus minus plus 16. And we don't know the value of c. It is plus c. It is 16, right? Now can you calculate c equals to what? Here it is 16 minus 12, that is 4. And then if it is taken to the left hand side, 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Okay, so we have got all the values. Now from 1, putting the values of ABCD in 1, write down. Putting the values of A, B, C, and D in 1. So what was the left hand side? X square by, or left hand side was x square by x minus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 is equal to, right? A by, what was? A by x minus 2. So what is A? A equals to 4. So 4 by x minus 2. Is it? Then plus b by x minus 1. What is b? B equals to minus 4, x minus 1. Then c. What is c? C equals to minus 3, x minus 1 whole square. What is d? D equals to minus 1, x minus 1 whole cube. Now we can write here 4 by x minus 2 minus 4 by x minus 1 minus 3 by x minus 1 whole square minus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube. As it has no answer in the book there is no answer, so I request you all to verify, because it is the math from activity. We don't have any answer, so please verify that we are okay or not. We may be wrong. For this you have to verify. Okay, I'm going to verify it. Right hand side, what the LCM can be taken here. The LCM is x minus 2, x minus 1 whole cube. Am I right? It is the LCM. So we are getting here what? 4 into x minus 1 whole cube. We are getting here minus 4 into here x minus 1 whole cube whole square, and it is only x minus 2. Here it is minus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2. Here it is minus 1 into x minus 2. Now please calculate the numerator. Calculate the numerator. Can you calculate? It can be given of 4 marks to verify. It is 4 x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1, right? Then it is what? Minus 4 into, you multiply it, x square minus 2x plus 1 into x minus 2 minus 3. Then it will be what? X square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Then it is what? Minus x plus 2. Okay. That means it is x minus 2. It is x minus 1 whole cube. Now, actually, we are getting here, you see, we multiply it. 4x cube minus 3 4 the 12 x square plus 12x minus 4. Right? Now we have to multiply this x square into x cube. So minus 4x cube. Okay. We have to multiply this minus 2 into x square minus 2x square minus minus plus 8x square. Okay. Then we have to multiply minus 2x into x minus 2x square minus minus plus 8x square. Then it is what? Minus 2x minus 2, that is plus 4x into minus 4. So minus 16x. This is 1 into x into minus 4, that is minus 4x. 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2 into minus 4. So plus 8. And here we are getting minus 3x square. And it is what? Minus 2x minus x, that is minus 3x. Minus 3x into minus 3, that is plus 9x. And it is minus 6. Minus x plus 2. Now the denominator is x minus 2, x minus 1 whole cube. Now please calculate and let me know what you are left with. Here 4x cube will be omitted. Okay. It is minus 12 plus 8 minus 4. Okay, 8, 16. 16 minus 12 equals to what? 4. 4 minus 3, that is only x square we are getting here. Now you see, it is 12x minus 20. So minus 20 plus 12 minus 8. It is omitted. 9x, x. This will be omitted. If you calculate, it will be 0. Now you see, minus 4. This is what? Minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 equals to minus 4. Minus 4 minus 8 plus 8. Minus 4 plus 8. It will be omitted. So we are left with only x square in the numerator and in the denominator as it is. So we have got our left hand side is equal to left hand side. Verified. Talk to me. The verification depends on your calculation that you did in class 8. Is it okay to all? Now I am going to do maths of different dimension. Okay. Before that, I have a question to all of my students. X square plus 4 equals to 0. What is the value of x? Time 10 seconds. All of you. You really don't actually cooperate. x square plus 4 equals to 0. What is the value of x? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me know the answer.
Sir, what answer? The value of x. Sir, it is unreal number. Root over minus
Undefined maybe.
So we are getting x square equals to what? Minus 4. So no a square number can be
root square
negative.
over. Yes.
Hence we are getting x equal to plus minus root over minus 4. Can you please let me know what is the value of this? In real number, it does not exist. If you use calculator, it will be mathematically it is error. But if you go for calculating complex number with the help of calculator, complex number, you will get here plus minus, and for this you will get 2y. If you calculate it with the help of complex, I mean mode option 2 complex. If you go for calculating root over minus 4, then you will get plus minus 2y. How does it come? It is actually, we can write here plus minus, we can write here 4 into minus 1. Okay, we can write here.
So can I explain that again?
Okay, we are going to write down this, you see. Can you write this? Plus minus 4 into minus 1, talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, it is equal to plus minus root over 4 into root over minus 1. And we know this value is 2 and this root over minus 1 is I. Value of I is equal to root over minus 1, where I is called imaginary number.
Yes, sir.
It does not exist in real number theory. Okay, real number set, it does not exist. Let x square minus 4x minus 7 by x plus 1 x square plus 4. Now let me know what is the degree in the denominator. I want answer from you. What is the degree of the denominator?
So degree 1 plus 1.
It is 1, it is 2. So degree is 3.
Oh, sorry, sir.
It is 1 and it is 2. So degree is 3. So I have to take 3 unknowns. Very good. Well, it is a by x plus 1. Then what should I do? Do you have any factor here? We cannot factorize. Can we factorize? Just
No,
I
sir.
showed you that it is impossible to do. Can you remember, please? Because it does not exist in the real number, right? So what is to be done here, you know? Here we have told already, I have told you already that degree is 3. So there will be 3 unknown. That means suppose here we will get 2 factors as power is 2. So I have to take, you see how to take this. I have to take 2 unknowns. X square plus 4. You please see, I am not done yet. I have to take 2 unknowns. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. You don't do it. I can take like this, a by x plus 1, you see. B by x square plus 4, you see. And c by x square plus 4, suppose. Can we take? Because there are there is degree 3. So we have to take 3 unknowns, right? Is it? But you see, we are getting these two same. Okay? These two same, right? So to differentiate, we have to take x, either x or here. So we have to write here bx plus c. You know, if I get LCM here, x square plus 4, we will get the previous one, bx plus c. You see, bx plus c. It will be kept as it is. Okay, these 2 parts. Please try to understand.
Sir, can I explain that one more time, sir?
Okay. Okay, you see, normally what should we do? You please try to understand. Normally what should we do? we could do here is equal to a by x plus 1, suppose. Then b by, suppose we could do here x square plus 4 and c by x square plus 4. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
3 factor here. 1 and here there will be 2 factors. But unfortunately, not factorize it. Unfortunately, we cannot find this value. Is it okay?
Yes.
As we cannot find this value, so you have to take an x here or here so that we can get the value of x. And these two become same. Just to differentiate, we can take this. Interesting fact is that a by x plus 1, now take LCM here, x square plus 4, we are getting in the numerator x plus c.
So your internet, I think, is very weak, sir. The video
So
keeps
from
freezing.
now on, wait, internet.
Yes, sir. I mean, the sound isn't coming through properly. The video is also freezing.
Okay. Is it still or now it is okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you see, write down multiplying both sides of 1 by x plus 1, x square plus 4, we get both sides of 1. What will you get? X square minus 4x minus 7 is equal to a into x square, and here we will get bx plus c into x plus 1, that is 2. Now what the value we know here? Can you please let me know? What the value we know here? We know only x equals to minus
Yes,
1
sir.
and no value we know, because we don't get any from here. So here there is only one value, which is x equals to minus 1. Write down putting x equals to minus 1 into, now please put here x equals to minus 1. If x equals to minus 1, that means it is minus 1 whole square. There is only 1. It is minus 1. So plus 4. It is minus 7. Is it okay? X
Yes,
equals
sir.
to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square 1 plus 4 minus 7. Here we can write down a x equals to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square equals to 1. So it is 1 plus 4. X equals to minus 1. This part will be 0. That means we can write here, implies that 1 plus 4 equals to 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 equals to what? Minus 2, right? Is equal to 5a. Minus 2 equals to 5a. That means a equals to what? That means a equals to minus 2 by 5. Now you see, we are left with no option because we don't get any value of x here. So what will we do? We'll expand 2. Write down from 2 we get. From 2 we get That is x square minus 4x. Write down x square minus 4x minus 7 is equal to, it is what? Plus 4a. It is what? bx square plus bx plus cx plus c. I have just multiplied. Nothing else I have done here. Now equating the coefficient of x square, here power, highest power is 2. So at first you have to equate the coefficient of x square. Write down equating the coefficient of x square. Can you please tell me? Coefficient of x square. So here x square coefficient is what? 1. There is no x square. Is equal to, here we are getting a plus b. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the value of a? Implies that. What is the value of a? Value of a is minus 2 by 5. So 1 is equal to minus 2 by 5 plus b. Right? So b equals to what here? Can you tell me? That is b is equal to, you can take this 1 plus 2 by 5. If we take 3 by 5. So b is equal to 3 by 5. Is it or not? Or
Yes, sir.
what?
3 by 5.
No, not 3 by 5. You are
No,
wrong.
so 1 plus.
Sir, 7 by 5.
You are absolutely right. 7 by 5.
Also, it's a 1 plus 5. 1 plus.
Yes.
I was considering 1 minus. So it's a.
Yes, it was also my mistake. Now again you see, equating the coefficient of, write down, equating the coefficient of what? X. After x square, there is x. So if we equate, then we'll get here minus 4. This is minus 4. Have you seen? X minus 4. Now here x, b plus c. B plus c. Please try to understand. Here what is b plus c? Now put the value of b as by 7 by 5. We can write here minus 4 is equal to 7 by 5 plus c. Then please let me know what is the value of c. Minus 4 minus 7 by 5. Minus 4 minus 7 by 5, right? So minus 20, minus 27 by 5. Minus 27 by 5. Talk to me.
Yes,
I
sir,
can,
yes,
we are done, right? Yes, we are really done. Now I can show you very interesting thing, though it is not the part of the math. Please, perhaps you are done. Just wait a little bit, just wait. If I equate the, okay, here x square, here x, what comes else? After x, it is constant. After x, x square, x, then what is x to the power 0? X to the power 0 means what? 1. That means constant. If we equate the constant term, it is not the part of the math, but for additional information. If we equate the constant term, then what we will get? Constant, it is what? Minus 7? It is minus 7? Constant term. It is what? 4a? And it is what? C? Is it? Talk to me. Hello?
yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you please repeat?
Okay, I am telling what? If we go for equating constant term, constant means what? There is no x. So you see there is no x here. There is no x here. So we can write here -7. There is no x here. We can write 4a. There is no x here. We can write +c. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now please let me know what is the value of a here. What is the value of a? 4 into -2/5. What is the value of c? C is what? -27/5. Is it? Now can you calculate it? -8/5 -27/5. What is the result? If we calculate it, what will be the result? -7. If we get LCM, we'll get -35/5. You see, this is -7. Actually, what is meant by this? Sometimes we have to equate the constant term. I think you have got me. Or any of you was not found. Suppose here C was not found. Suppose. So by putting you could find C. Please try to understand. A here it is not the math. Now you write down putting the values of A, B, C in equation 1. Write down putting the values of A, B, and C in 1. I am going to write down 1 again. What was 1? X square minus 4x minus 7 by x plus 1, x square plus 4. X plus 1, x square plus 4. It was our 1, right? What was written? A by x plus 1, bx plus c. It was written, right? Is it? It was the equation number 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can we put the value of ABC? What will be there? If we put the value of A equals to what? -2/5. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of B? B is what? 7/5. It is the value of B, right? Then it is X. What is the value of C? -27/5 -27/5. Then what is the denominator? X square plus 4, right? It is our math. Now what should be done here? You see, we can write down this is -2. This is 5 into x plus 1. Am I right? What? Can you let me know? It is what? 5 is taken LCM in the numerator. So we are left with 7x minus 27. Here it is 5. X square plus 4. Now we can write here 7x minus 27 by 5 into x square plus 4 minus 2 by 5 into x plus 1. Math is done. Now we verify. Suppose if we go for verifying, it will be 7x square plus 7x minus 27x minus 27. It is minus 2x square. Perhaps we are wrong. Anyway, it is minus 2x squared. So we are getting here 7x square, that is 5x square minus 20x. Then it is minus 35. No, we are right. Our math is done. We are absolutely right. We don't have any mistake. I have verified. Okay. Now please let me know if you have failed to understand. Okay, you have got it. That's good.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Sir, how bx plus c come in the right hand side?
I mean, here,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that was late in the equation 1 or number. Can you go to 1? This one. I told you it there.
Yes, sir. I haven't understood.
Okay. Now we are going to do another maths of the same type. You please try to understand. This is example 28. Example 28. Write down. Let x by x minus 1 into x square plus 4 is equal to, you do it by yourself, a by x minus 1, then it is what? Bx plus c by x square plus 4. Okay, right? As it is x square plus 4. Now carry on, please do it by yourself. I think I should not do it. Then multiplying 1 by x minus 1 x square plus 4. What will get? We get what? Let me know. X is equal to a x square plus 4 plus bx plus c x minus 1. Now carry on, please do it. What the value is to put here? Putting x equals to, here only one value, 1. Putting x equals to 1 into x equals to 1. So it is 1. It is a into 1 plus 4. It is 0. That means 1 equals to 5a. That means a equals to 1 by 5. Now we don't have any other value of x. So what should we do? We should write down from 2 we get. Write down from 2 we get, it is x is equal to, we can multiply it, ax square plus 4a plus x into x, bx x into minus 1 minus bx c into x plus cx into minus 1 minus c. Now by equating the coefficient of x square, you write down, by equating the coefficient of x square. Here there is no x square, so we will get 0 here. Here we have only a plus. But in this value of a, what? 1 by 5. So we can put 0 equals to 1 by 5 plus b. From here we get b equals to plus 1 by 5. Now, if any of you thinks that I will not equate the coefficient of x, but I will equate the constant terms, you're right. But I won't do that. Equating the coefficient of x. Then we are getting here only 1. It is 1 is equal to no x, no x, no x, here x minus b, here x plus c. Now put the value of b here. That means 1 is equal to minus b. Minus b means what? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus c implies that c equals to 4 by 5. So our math is done. Okay. So 1 implies that, now 1 implies that this. Now put the value of a. What is the value of a? A is 1 by 5. Write down 1 by 5 by x minus 1. What is bx plus c? B equals to minus 1 by 5. You see the way I'm going to write down. B equals to minus 1 by 5. Write down b equals to minus 1 by 5 x. And c equals to what? 4 by 5. It is x square plus 4. Now we can calculate it. I have just put the values. Now it depends on you. We can write it 1, 5 into x minus 1. Here, what can be taken common? 5 LCM minus x plus 4 by 5 into what? X square plus 4. Can you write? Take the LCM 5 in the numerator. So you'll be left with minus x plus 4. That 5 will be in the denominator. That I told you. 1 by 5 into x minus 1 plus, we can write here 4 minus 5 into x square plus 4. Okay, this is the math. So we can see the answer. Okay, our answer is, what is the math I have got? We are, oh my God, we are not right. We are not right. Oh yes, we are right. In the book, the answer is wrong at last. What they did, they have given here. Okay, you know what they have did? They have done, sorry. In the book.
Sir, they have taken the minus as common.
Yes, it is right. But what they have done, you know, they have done 1 by 5 into x minus 1. Now take minus common here. So it is minus, and in the numerator it is x minus 4 by 5 into, same thing. Actually have the same meaning, right? If I multiply minus x plus 4, it is minus x plus 4. Nothing. Okay. So any of these two can be answer, not a matter, same thing. It signifies the same. Okay. Now I'm going to do another most important math, dear students. Please see. Activity 5. Pay attention, all of you. 100% attention. Activity 5. 1 by 1 minus x cube. 1 by 1 minus x cube. Actually, what is this? Can you please let me know? It can be written what? 1 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Am I right? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. You did it in the set, this type. Now write down, let 1 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square is equal to a by 1 minus x. Then please let me know. Who can tell me? Can you please tell me? Okay, you see, if we go for factorizing this, suppose it is equal to 0. Okay, we won't get any value of x. Have you got me? We won't get any value of x. Can you find the value of x? Yes, you can, but it will be imaginary number. It will be imaginary number. Okay, we cannot factorize it. So for this, we have to do like the previous one. Here power is 2, that means 2 factors, 2 unknowns. B and C are the 2 unknowns. It is 1 plus x square. Talk to me. Same math, right? Multiplying both sides of 1 by 1 minus x, 1 plus x square, we get. What we will get, you see, here it is 1 is equal to a into 1 plus x square, bx plus c into 1 minus x. This is 2. Now your math has been very easy. Putting here, we will get the value of x as by 1. So putting x equals to 1, into, we are going to put the value of x as by 1. So what we will get? X equals to 1, so it is 1. X equals to 1, that means it is 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. X equals to 1, that means it is 0. So we can get here 3a equals to 1, so a equals to 1 by 3. Is it okay to all? Now you go to number 2 again. What is written there? You see, write down. From 2 we get. From 2 we get 1 equals to 1 equals to, we can write here a plus ax square, right? Then we can write here bx minus bx square plus c minus cx. I have just multiplied. Now write down equating the coefficient of x square. Write down equating the coefficient of x square. There is no x square, so it is 0. 0 is equal to coefficient of x square. We are getting a and b. So a minus b, that means a equals to b. That means value of a equals to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 equals to b. That means b equals to 1 by 3. Very simple. Okay. We can give another so that you can get it. Okay. Now, in the same way, write down equating the coefficient of x. Equating the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x, you see, there is no x in the left hand side, so it is 0. Coefficient of x, that means it is x, it is a. Coefficient of x, this is bx, it is plus b. Coefficient of x, it is cx, so it is minus c. Am I right? What is the value of a? Implies that, what is the value of a? A is 1 by 3. We can write 0 equals to 1 by 3. What is the value of b? B is 1 by 3. What is c? We don't know. So we are getting from here c equals to, you can calculate, you will get the value of c. C equal to 2 by 3. That means it is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. If c is taken to the left hand side, so c equals to 2 by 3. Now we have got all the values. Can you please write down? Therefore, putting the values up, a, b, c in 1. So 1 implies that 1 was what? 1 by 1 minus x, 1 plus x square is equal to, at first it was a by 1 minus x. A equals to 1 by 3, a by 1 minus x, then it was bx plus c. What is bx? B equals to 1 by 3. Bx plus c. What is c? C equals to 2 by 3. Then it was 1 plus x square. Now from here we can write down, implies that it is actually what? 1 minus x cube. 1 minus x cube is equal to, it is what? 1, 3 into 1 minus x. It is plus, you see, we can take 3 LCM in the numerator and we are left with only x plus 2. X plus 2 by 3 into, okay, now it is our answer. You can verify because answer is not given in the book. You can verify the right hand side. Just it will take only 30 seconds to verify. How you will verify? Suppose you see it is 3 LCM, so we are getting 1 plus x square. Then it is, we have to multiply by x minus x square by 2 minus 2x, x square is omitted, x omitted. So 1 plus 2, 3 minus 2x. Okay. No, we are wrong. We are wrong somewhere. Okay. 3 LCM. It is the LCM 3. So we are getting here 1 plus x square, then plus x minus x square, x square. Okay. Then plus 2 minus 2x. Now you see, this is x square omitted, x 2x minus 2x omitted. We are getting 1 plus 2, 3, and this 3 will be omitted. So it is absolutely right. Okay, it is our answer. We don't have any mistake. Are you there? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, now what will you do? Okay, you will practice some maths at home. And what are the maths? You please try to understand. Number 1, I am giving you some math. Number 1, x cube by x square minus 9. You will do and verify. Number 2, 1 by x into x square plus 1, sorry, whole square. You will do and verify. Number 3, 1 by x square into x square plus 1 whole square. You will do and verify. Number 4, 2x by x plus 1 into x square plus 1 whole square. Number 5, x square by x square minus a square. You will do and verify these 5 maths at home.